So in this video we'll be adding extension wallet in our MySys wallet. So go to your MySys, then we want to add a phantom wallet. So what you have to do is to type phantom wallet extension, okay, and search it. So when you search phantom wallet extension, we are now going to use Chrome. Let's use this one. You can see Google Chrome, okay. So click on the first one you're seeing. So here now you will see okay, you can see this is it here. So here now you just have to click on add to Chrome, okay. You can see here add to Chrome, okay. You just have to wait for it to load. So it's loading. So now click on add to Chrome. So click on OK. So now we have added our wallet extension successfully. So if you want to create a new wallet, you can now go ahead and create new wallet or import your existing wallet, okay. So for you to access your wallet extension, you just have to click on this extension icon here to access your wallet extension, okay. Thank you and God bless you. See you in our next video.